All right, well, at the drive of Maruti Suzuki Swift 4th generation today, I am joined by Mr. Partho Banerjee, who of course is the Senior Executive Director with Maruti Suzuki. Partho-san, thank you so much. Finally, the 4th generation Swift, the cult following, of Swift is always knowing. First question I want to ask you that comes to my mind is that why a hatchback right now? Because, the time India is literally having a craze for SUVs. You think it's the right time to get a hatchback, and just because it's a Swift, you think the cult following will continue to follow?
I think Chetan, Swift has got close to 3 million fan following. 2.9765 millions we have already having the customers, and very soon we are going to touch the 3 million mark. The point I'm trying to make is this: the premium hatch segment last year also, financial year, has done close to 7 lakh cars.
Okay.
And we feel by the year 2030, this premium hatch segment will be close to 1 million mark.
Okay. And how long? In how much time?
2030.
By 2030.
2030.
So, great timelines that you are setting, sir. But the Swift now, what are the volumes that you're looking at? You have a significant size of bookings right now.
I will tell you.
And what are the volumes that you're looking at?
We started the pre-booking without any price, and we opened it just 1 week before the launch. Within 1 week, we have got more than 10,000 bookings.
Okay.
And now in the last 2 days, our bookings are coming almost double the rate actually.
Okay, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Also, Partho-san, now, don't you feel that, this car could have been a little more uptight when it comes to SUV stance? Is it not too little, let's say, too typical a hatchback? Do you think so?
Chetanji, there is a Swift DNA.
Okay.
This silhouette which is there, this is the so-called thing which people love. This car, this is the DNA of this car. How can you change the DNA of the car actually?
Fair enough, fair enough. Also, Partho-san, now let me ask you a question about, shifting focus from Swift right now. Recent numbers were reported, sir. 5 to 6% growth happening for the industry. You are projecting an above 5-6% growth. I want to ask you what's leading the momentum, because you're maintaining a fine balance between a SUV and now a hatchback, major hatchback coming back. How are you going to maintain those two together, sir?
See, in SUV last year we have launched 3 new models: Fronx, Jimny, and Grand Vitara. So today in SUV also, last year we were number 2 position actually. So we are equally confident that in SUV also we are targeting for number 1. At the same time, premium hatch is also a very important segment actually, because they are brand loyalist and it is a cult brand actually. And this Swift actually, if I share with you, is equipped with now altogether a new engine, 1.2 liter Jet Series engine, which is amazing in terms of performance, in terms of mileage, and in terms of emission controls also. Mileage we have improved by 14% in the automatic transmission. Now it is 25.7 is the mileage kilometer per liter, one of the best in the class. Coming to performance, in the so-called in the city driving, when you are looking for a peppy drive in lower RPMs, the torque is amazing. And emissions, 12% we have reduced the CO2 emissions actually. So the heart is totally new. Top of it actually, we have provided 6 airbag from the base variant. It's not like that some
Will you be
variants.
sending into Bharat NCAP for
I think already some vehicles have gone for the B NCAP actually. We are waiting for the results actually. So safety, 6 airbag. Other than that, we have got many other safety features: hill hold assist, the seat belt reminders, all are there. Top of it actually, if you see, the whole exterior has been changed, keeping the Suzuki Swift DNA in mind actually. See the headlights actually, the projector headlights, the tail lights, the LED ones. It's generally seen the very premium segment products actually. But in this hatch providing this, and the top of it, there are more than 50 plus features which has been added in the car. Engineering team has given me that list. Out of that, if I just tell you 2 or 3, like that mobile charger, Wi-Fi mobile charger, for the rear seat comfort, a dedicated rear AC vent has been provided, which generally comes in the very high segment cars. Top of it, the telematics. Then there are so many other features, like even the AC control panel, everything is now digitalized. So the point I'm trying to make is this, that we feel there is a community of Swifters. They need to be given a product actually in which it should have all the features, the styling part of it, and packed with an engine actually which offers you fantastic performance. Mileage terms gives you 14% more mileage, and to the mother nature also, we are contributing in terms of reducing the
You
CO2
spoke about
emission.
last question now. You spoke about Mother Nature. Maruti Suzuki is, of course, coming up with its own set of EVs. You have a big plan in place. We all know. Is that plan in place? And are we expecting an EV this year or probably the next year?
We have announced that we are going to come with the EV. So we are going to launch the EV, 6 EVs by 2030. So our plan is very much
So, but
on.
this year, anything coming up?
We are going to unveil it.
Okay, unveil will happen. Okay, great. So thank you, Partho San, for speaking to us. Well, that was Mr. Partho Banerjee speaking about the Swifting community, the basic DNA of Swift that has been kept intact, and not to forget the equal focus on EVs and SUVs.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.